Hey there! In this hsbDesign for Revit video, I want to show you one of the new features that were developed in version 29, the HSB production details. To show this in action, I can go to any of our framing modules. These can be found at the very top. I will focus on the HSB stick frame to add a production detail for my stick frame walls. Your production detail command can be found below the edge detail drop-down, and at the bottom we have the update production detail. By launching this command, I get prompted with some text properties to define the detail names. First off, I'll select the item containers, because I will add the production detail based on the selection of the item container. And the next step, I can define a certain text for my bottom detail in this case. Since I would have two bottom plates, I will call this BP2. You're free to use any production detail text for your specifications. By pressing OK, I am now asked to select the item containers. And by pressing Finish, the production detail is now added to the element. As we now can see, the production detail BP2 is now added to my bottom detail. Now, what's next to do is to export my element by going to HSB Output, going to the exporter. I can now select my item container. And since I already have defined my export group in the Export Manager, it will now create the HMLX file, which can be opened in hsbView. It shows that the export was successful, and by opening up hsbView, we will see the result in a few seconds. As we can see now, we have our detail BP2 added to our bottom plate of our element. This can be added to all the other edge details and connection details, which will be reflected as edge details. I hope this video helps you get an understanding of how this can be used in your designs. Thank you for watching.